Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a video coming up about this hair soon, so watch out for it. The video will say all of it. So I got the Birchbox and the GLOSSYBOX, and I know it's like the end of the month. I was waiting for the Birchbox to come. It took a whole month. I had hopes for you. Do better. GLOSSYBOX was here a long time ago, but I wanted to wait for the Birchbox to come, so I do the video together. Gonna unbox which one came first, which is the GLOSSYBOX. So we're gonna do that right now. I'll tell you a little bit about GLOSSYBOX. The GLOSSYBOX, including shipping, costs £11.75. If you're a subscriber, you get it for £8.50. That's for, I think, the 1 year subscription. Postage is about £3 or something. You are getting your money's worth of all the items in here. The pink usual box smells amazing. It smells so flowery. So that's what it's looking like. It's got the usual leaflet. It says a GLOSSYBOX Blossom. I haven't opened it yet. Can't do nothing about it. I love this hair. Do you love this hair? Alright, let's unbox. Anything I take out, I'm just gonna read off the leaflets to see what exactly it is. So we go. The first item is Blossom Kisses Nail Polish by Nails Inc. This retails for £11 and it's a full size. I love this color. It looks like the exact same color as my nail. From the bottle, this could be a little bit lighter. This is more nudie, but on camera it looks the exact same. The one I have on is a Nail Berry, and this was in past beauty subscription box. It's just for the spring. It's gorgeous. Welcome in the spring with this soft pink nail polish, a delicate pastel haze with cool undertone. It's the perfect on trend for the new season. Better yet, its formula lasts up to 10 days. Its white brush makes it really easy to achieve the professional looking manicure. Apply a base coat, then 2 coats, and finish with a top coat. I am gonna open it. I have another one that you open, and that's the brush. I might use this to paint on top of this. So this is the Event Gentle Rose Beautifying Face Exfoliate. This is a full size, retails for £92. Improves the appearance of wrinkles and deeply hydrates your complexion. It also softens and smoothens with vitamin B5, and it calms the skin. I don't have wrinkles, but oh, if it's £92, baby. Smells good. Smells quite floral. It's got a little bit of grit. More softer than a scrub, more gentler. It feels good. Next item is the Rachel's Shower Scrub. Is Deluxe Mini. The Deluxe Mini size, which is the 70ml, costs £4.60, and then the full size, which is the 150ml, costs £9.90. Bursting with gorgeous cherry scent, this 2-in-1 cleansing and exfoliating scrub is a treat for your body and your senses. Once a week, massage into damp skin using circular motion until it transforms into a soft shower cream, then wash off. It's got a nourishing rice milk to leave skin feeling soft and supple. This looks good. This looks promising. That smells nice. It smells so good. I love the packaging too. It's got a bit of pink. Because it's a scrub, the grit in it is so much more harder than the other one. It's got more of grit in it compared to the face one. Then there's a difference because the face one has to be gentle. You can't be using something this hard on your face. I can definitely smell the cherry. Very floral. They did really stay in the floral theme. Spot FX. This is a lip balm and it's got SPF of 15 to protect and hydrate and nourish your pout. You can get 2. You can get the coconut or the raspberry and rhubarb. I got the coconut. Retails for $4.99 and it's a full size. It kind of reminds me of a lip balm. The smell this. It smells good. It doesn't smell too coconutty. It's got shea butter or natural oils and vitamins. The last item is musky. This is a deep conditioner in rose oil and peach. But on the leaflet, it says you can get 2. So you can get the coconut milk or the orchids. and white truffle. Oh, I got this one. It's a color protecting complexion. It lets your hair blossom with new life thanks to this deep conditioning treatment. Whichever conditioner you receive, you can be sure that it is full of natural goodness that will infuse your hair cuticles with hydration for nourishing shiny tresses. Simply massage a generous amount onto your clean wet locks. Focus on damaged areas. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then rinse. Retails for £2.49. It's full size. That is everything that I got from GLOSSYBOX. Next is BIRCHBOX. BIRCHBOX is a subscription. It costs £12.95, so about £1 more than GLOSSYBOX. GLOSSYBOX and BIRCHBOX are very different because with GLOSSYBOX, most of the items are full size. BIRCHBOX, you might get some items which are full size and some items which are travel size. BIRCHBOX and Anthropology. I've waited very long for this box. That's why this video is late because of the corona and the social distancing. GLOSSYBOX is here, but BIRCHBOX took its bare time. The theme for this month is one of a kind. I'm just going to take the item out and let you know what is what. This month's item that you could choose, you know, items that you get emailed to choose. I didn't choose any of the colors because it was unnecessary for me. Any lip balm is lip balm. It doesn't matter the color. So this is Kerda. Or Kerda, KND or Beauty. I don't know how to say it, so I said how I said it. And this is a mood balm in Positivity Pink or Sherbet. So it's one or the other. So let me just see what they gave me because I did not choose which one I wanted. Whatever happens, happens at this point. Oh, I got the pink one. Did I not choose it? I probably forgot to choose it, but maybe by fate I got the pink one. This is a full size and this retails for £13, which is cool and all. I don't think it's going to do anything to my lip. If I'm going out, like going to the shop, I will put this on just for hydration. We've got 2 lip balms this month, which is awesome. The next item is manicure lipstick green nail lacquer in assorted shade. This is a full size and this is £14. That's another nail polish or of an orange tone compared to my nails. This is a beautiful color, gorgeous color. Next item is the Cell Plumping Moisturizer. This is a travel size, but the full size product retails for £46. Organic Purifying Face Wash. Full size of this retails for £21. It's for vegans. It's not tested on animals. You can only use this for 3 months after you've opened it. It smells kind of pepperminty. I bet they've got essential oils in here, which yes they do. They've got aloe vera and tea tree. Safe for all skin types. Eliminates every trace of makeup and dirt without leaving your face feeling dry. Bright, clean and healthy. I learned about skincare and I know what works for me. Tea tree essential oils in facial product, not for me. I have normal to combination skin. This will definitely dry me out, even though it says it doesn't dry out, but it will dry me out. I will use it, but I will moisturize like nobody's business. I'll rub 10 shea butters on my face for my face to be normal and back to supple, pumping skin again. Last item in the box is BRUSHWORKS. This is a silicone cleansing pad and is exclusive only to BIRCHBOX. This is not full size, but full size retails for £4.99. I'm gonna open it for you guys to see. So you use it to cleanse your face. You know what this looks like to me? Things you get in your beauty sponge, and I probably would use this for that because I have a brush I use for physical exfoliating my skin. For this to be on my face, it will do nothing. So I'm going to use this for my sponge. I'm not going to be using this for my face, honestly, truly. I'm really happy with this and I'm really happy with lip balm. I like lip balms. You can't go wrong with lip balm and you can't go wrong with a nail varnish. I love nail varnishes. They show you what you get for next month. Sneak peek at the back. So you get to choose one or the other. And I chose the hot pink because obviously I like pink. So that's a Malakada Beauty Mascara because it already came in the mail to choose which one you want. I should really not be on camera right now, so I'm gonna go. So that's everything in this month's subscription. So don't forget to like, subscribe, child, that's ghetto. Comment below. Let me know if you like this hair. Share the love. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!